Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Camper Conversion. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 102 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the iconic Acapulco Blue, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, we'll find daytime running lights, and the vehicle also benefits from having front fog lights with a cornering function. Across all four wheels we'll find a set of 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels finished in a 5 twin-spoke design. The vehicle features a black roof with a solar collector, as well as rear barn doors with windows. Helping you park and manoeuvre, this transporter features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening the doors and taking a look into the rear boot area, there's some storage cupboards on the right hand side, and into the rear passenger area we'll find a 2-seater passenger bench finished in a lovely combination of microfleece and leather. This camper has undergone a recent conversion and comes in an unused state. We'll find a twin hob burner, a sink with a folding tap, as well as a fridge with a 2-way door. Once you've reached your camping destination, the rear bench folds flat, sleeping 2 occupants. 2 more occupants can sleep up in the pop-up roof. Up in the driver's cab, we'll find more of the lovely leather and microfleece upholstery, a twin armrest seat for the driver with a twin-seater passenger bench, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a composition colour radio that features AUX and Bluetooth inputs. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find some of the climate controls. The van comes with climatic air conditioning as well as a heated front windscreen. For the driver we'll also find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel that features cruise control. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Camper Conversion. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.